notice today I have my mom. Once again, guys. Once again. So today we have Burger King. We have Sprites. The old-fashioned way.
But
they are not collectibles anymore because it's 2020. Yep, so what we got is ketchup, barbecue, honey barbecue, not spicy barbecue. And today we have some fries. I'm going to put that, I feel like I should put that in the middle. You can like just pick at it. Like, is that good?
So we got the Impossible Whoppers.
Yep, yes we did.
We were going to do pizza. Try another pizza spot, but it was packed to the doors dinner time. So I'm stuck messing up my diet because of her. And we're going to do the Impossible.
Yep. Put it right here.
No onions, added cheese.
Yep. So guys, I'm so excited. These things are huge and we're going to see who can eat the most, guys. And guys, if you guys have a friend of yours or your mom or your dad or your aunt or your grandma, do this challenge. I challenge you guys to do this. Who can eat the most Impossible Burger?
I am going to pray.
Yep, I am going to pray. I was just about to like...
I know. You're tricking us.
Alright, ready? God is good. God is great. Bless the miracle I'm about to receive. I'm blessing him in Jesus' name. Amen. Guys, look at...
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. Cheers. 1, 2,
Oh, okay.
3. It was very good. I loved it. I'm going in for another bite. Mmm. Mmm. Mom, do you want to tell them where we got these? Sprites.
We got them from Big Lots, right?
Yep.
Heavenly doesn't stop shopping, so I forgot. Big Lots.
We went to all kinds of stores. We went to Big Lot. We went to Five and Below. We went everywhere. Mom. So if you want to do this, you can. What I do is I grab the napkin and I put this right here, okay? And then I put my burger right here and I wrap it up like this if you want. And it won't get your hands dirty if it's coming out of the other side.
That's too technical for me.
But if you like, you can put it this. This is what I always do when I'm eating a burger. You know, it's always not coming out right always, but
it's not too bad today. Last time we got this,
it was very
I was
sloppy.
not happy.
Yeah, and it was like, it didn't taste like it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So my mom decided to give up her diet real quick.
As soon as I'm done eating, I'm going to rest and I'm going to probably have to do like 500 crunches messing with this burger. Well, this is impossible.
God, it is so good. So, Ma, you happy to be back on the show?
I'm very happy.
I love doing videos with her.
I like doing videos with you too, but you eat a lot of unhealthy stuff. And the way with my age and diet setup,
guys,
can't be messing with you.
Maybe we could do a healthy mukbang.
That would be interesting.
We could do it together. Have a bunch of salads.
We had a salad today for lunch, me and her. And she gave up at the end talking about all she was doing was chewing and chewing and chewing.
That's so true.
You don't mind chewing that candy or them burgers and fries.
That is so true. mm. Mm. Mm.
Mm.
Mm. I'm technically eating a salad right now. Because there's lettuce and tomatoes and everything in here.
Yeah.
And onions.
But you have the bread.
Oh.
You have bread. Is that the croutons?
Yep.
Okay.
Mom. It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
You're more into the burger, I can see.
Yeah. It's really good. It actually really tastes like a Whopper today, so I'm a little bit skeptical, thinking that maybe it really is Whopper meat and not
Probably is.
the Impossible, because it really does taste like a Whopper.
Guys, this is so good. It's just so good, these burgers, that sometimes I don't even think that they're actually giving us what we're getting. But it's a real Whopper. But the last time we got it, it didn't taste like it didn't taste right.
Mm-mm. But what do you think about the tofu I made last night? Delicious, right?
Mmm. Mmm. This is so good.
Oh.
Well, I don't like it.
No.
It's like a jello. It's like a nasty jello.
And I saved you a bunch for today.
Well, guess what? You could eat that.
Boo-boo.
Boo-boo. I said boo-boo a lot. Like, I should be like, go take a shower. I'll be like, boo-boo. Boo-boo. And then it's like a joke that I do. So now she's copying it.
Yep, she took a nap and I'm like, boo-boo, you a little tired, boo-boo?
I was like, huh?
And we are Yankees fans, for everybody out there wondering, but you gotta rep where you're at too, so we have the matching shirts.
Yep. Ma, you wanna do a cheers once you're done with that bite?
Do I have a choice?
Yes, you do.
No.
Boo-boo. Cheers. Did you drink with some?
I took a sip. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nice and cold.
Much better, I think, from the glass bottle.
Yeah. I put too much pickles. I like
So
it.
you're gonna start doing videos again?
Yes, guys. My mom just had 2 surgeries. How are you feeling?
I'm doing much better. My voice is not 100% back yet, but I'm getting there.
So that's why I had to take a break. My mom had 2 surgeries. So I had to take a break and, help her. As all kids should do. Help with their parents. I've been doing chores. I've been making her soups.
Was that this surgery?
That was a lot of surgery. But yeah, guys, I am gonna admit I've been out of YouTube for a very long time. Sorry, guys, but now you guys are gonna see more of me, and sometimes maybe more of my mom. A lot of people say we look alike. I don't think so.
Me either. Speaking about that impossible, because time is running out.
Yeah.
Who ate most?
Huh? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Lost for words.
You is too much. I think my napkin. Oh,
I know, they tell me that. So, I only have a quarter. You have 2 quarters left.
Boo boo.
Boo boo.
Boo boo.
You're doing fractions. You should know. That's a whole half there. I have 1 quarter left. It's gonna take like 2 more bites for you to get
Boo
to
boo.
it. She's playing catch up.
Huh?
Catch up. You're playing catch up. You're trying to catch up to me.
That's you. You better start eating.
You still gotta eat all them fries. Boo boo.
Boo boo, I don't know how to do that.
That's all, folks.
Huh?
That's it.
Oh yeah. Holy crap.
Over and out. Don't forget, we're about to end the video. Give a shout out to somebody.
Would you like to give the shout out?
We'll give the shout out to Maria and her daughter in Florida.
Shout out
Miss
to
you.
Maria.
Can't wait to see you.
That's my mom's very, 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 very close friend. She's been talking to Maria since I didn't even exist yet. So a big shout out to Maria and her daughter. So guys, that is it for today. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below what other videos I should do. Bye, Mom.
That's you.
That's you.